Y'all check this out. The exhaust side all done. Exhaust got some major love. Here goes some stock port size. You just see the short side turn. This is upside down, but let's look inside that port. Here's a done one. Not a whole lot, but it's a lot of critiquing and paying attention because there's a few thin spots in there. Ain't no thinning down in there. It's a big old hump right here. And yeah, just got them cleaned up. Gonna have to do a valve job on these because I nicked it pretty good, a couple spots. So yeah, these are ready to go to the machine shop and get them surfaced. Let me show you a little bowl work I did. Can't really tell from this angle, but yeah, kind of ground off some of those areas in there where it was can't really tell because it's rounded off, but you can tell on the stock one. See those flat spots and those sharp ridges of all the cylinders? It's right up off the intake valve, so it's going to impede flow. So I just took that. As soon as it come off the valve, not much, just round it off a little bit, just take off that sharp edge. Still stock valve, so it'll flow pretty good without doing that, but it was a little compression, but I'm not too worried about that. I'm already bumping up the compression by using these heads. Let me flip this around real quick. Hold on.